Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video I will give you the demo of my online seller application version 2.0. So this application is already available on the Google Play Store. You can download it from there. I will also provide the link in the description. So let's open it. I already downloaded the app. Okay, so this is our splash screen. Let's talk about the onboarding screens. So these screens will help you to guide like what features did you get in this application. So let's move forward. So it is saying you can create your own online shop, and customers can buy online from the nearest shopkeeper, and customers can also give the rating and reviews. So let's jump. So this is our sign in screen, and you can sign in with the Google account, your Google account. And now you will come to this screen. This is our home screen. Okay, so let's talk about the customer section first. So customer can view the nearby shops, you can view those online sellers that who provide services in their areas. Okay, so here you can get the list of the online sellers that providing services in your area. And now you can the heart button, you can add any online seller to your favorite. Okay, if you like their services. Now you can go to more details. Here you can get the more details about the seller. Okay, like the shop address, what is the open and closing time, and the days the shop will be open. Okay, so if I go to more details, so you can go to the products, that what are the products that online seller is selling. And let me show you how you can place your order. Click on the plus button, click on the add new cart, and click on the continue button. So it will show you the added items that you already added, and you can confirm it. Then there are two options: either you can pick it from the shop, or if you want online delivery, then you have to provide your mobile number and the delivery location. Okay, so like you want delivery in this area. Now you can click on confirm. Okay, now you can provide your mobile number as well. Okay, mobile number, and now click on confirm. So when you confirm, your order will be placed, and shopkeeper will be notified that he receive an order. So after that you can also give review and rating. If you have a good or bad experience with the online seller, you can give the review and ratings. Okay, so let's talk like how you can become a online seller. Okay, to become an online seller, what you have to do is to click on this online seller button, and then you will be direct to this screen which is saying do you want to become an online seller. You can click on this button. Okay, so then you have to fill this form. In this form you have to fill like what is your shop name, and what is your open closing time, what is your shop location, which category is your shop in, and what is the currency that your shop products are on, and how many days how many days your shop is opened. Okay, then you have to upload your shopkeeper and shop image. Then you have to click on create shop. So after clicking on the create shop, you will see this navigate this list of navigations. So what you can do, like you can see your shop information, and you can also edit or update the information of your shop. And then you can also create your products by just click on add product, and then provide the information and click on create product. Then your product will be created, and orders like how many orders did you receive will become like this. And if you accept this, you can accept the order. So you can accept it. After exception, what happen, your order will be go in this accepted. And if order is packed, you have to click this, and so on. There are order status that you have to go on, like a step by step. Like you accept the order, then order is packed, on the way, and delivered. Okay. So the customer also will get notified, like what is the status of his order. Or and after the delivery areas, you can like add more delivery areas to spread your business. Okay, like if you are providing only delivery in this area, you can also click this to add more delivery areas, so it will be added into your more delivery areas. You can also see what reviews that customer gave you. You can also see that. And if you want to deactivate your shop, you can deactivate by it, but don't worry, your data doesn't go anywhere. If you want to reactivate it, you can also reactivate your shop. So after deactivating, we don't the shop is not visible to the customer. That's it. Okay, so this is the demo of online seller version 2.0. I hope you like it, and also share this application to the sellers so they can buy online, and customer can buy online and seller can purchase, seller can sell online. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.